Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Creatine Men is probably one of the most popular and researched supplements in the fitness world, offering a wide array of potential benefits for men looking to boost their athletic performance, build muscle mass, and enhance their overall strength. But with so many creatine products on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will cut through the noise and help you find the perfect creatine supplement to meet your specific needs and goals, ensuring you get the most out of your fitness journey. Number 5. On Micronized Creatine. It's 5 grams of pure creatine monohydrate per serving. It helps boost your energy, endurance, and recovery after intense workouts. This creatine monohydrate maximizes its potency to support muscle size, strength, and power. Experience the difference it makes in your training. It's micronized for supreme absorbency, ensuring you get the most out of every dose. Feel the power of optimized absorption. It is designed to support increases in energy, endurance, and recovery. Maximize your workout potential with every scoop. It comes from Optimum Nutrition, the world's #1 sports nutrition brand. It's rigorously tested for banned substances, so you can trust its quality and safety. It provides the highest quality control measures, ensuring you feel comfortable and safe consuming it. Achieve your fitness goals with confidence. What we like. It's pure creatine monohydrate, supporting energy, endurance, and recovery. Being the world's #1 sports nutrition brand ensures top quality and safety. If you prioritize quality and a trusted brand, this is the one for you. What people say. It mixes easily into water, protein shakes, or even coffee without any weird taste or gritty texture. I appreciate that it's pure and straightforward with no unnecessary additives. Since adding it to my daily regimen, I've noticed better recovery and improved endurance during workouts. My workouts feel stronger, I've noticed improved endurance, and even a bit of muscle gain. It mixes easily with water or a protein shake, no weird taste or texture. I also appreciate that it's pure creatine monohydrate with no added junk. The micronized formula truly lives up to its claim, dissolving quickly and easily in water or your favorite beverage. No gritty texture or clumping. This makes it incredibly convenient for a quick daily use. Number 4. MuscleTech Platinum Creatine. It's backed by more research, university trials, and patents than any other brand. This makes it the leading creatine on the market. You'll see results fast. Studies show it helps you gain 6 pounds of muscle in 6 weeks and an 18.6% strength boost in just 10 days. It's rigorously tested for purity and is free from banned substances. You can trust that it's safe and effective. Each serving is 5 g of micronized creatine monohydrate, so it mixes easily with no clumps. It's also unflavored and has no fillers or sugar. MuscleTech is committed to research and innovation to help you achieve peak performance. It's a product you can rely on to help you reach your goals. What we like. This creatine is clinically proven to build muscle and boost strength. Its ultra-pure, HPLC-tested formula guarantees quality and safety. If you're looking for fast, noticeable results backed by science, choose this one. What people say. High-quality creatine. This powder contains pure micronized creatine monohydrate, which is known for its effectiveness in enhancing muscle recovery and building strength. Muscle recovery growth. It's perfect for post-workout recovery, helping to reduce muscle soreness and speed up the muscle building process. Micronized for better absorption. The micronized form ensures better solubility and absorption, making it more effective and easier on your stomach. Number 3. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate. This is a high-quality creatine monohydrate powder designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. It's unflavored and easily mixes into any liquid. Each scoop provides 5,000 milligrams of pure creatine monohydrate. It's perfect for pre- or post-workout supplementation and stacks well with other supplements. Creatine monohydrate is the gold standard, extensively researched and proven effective for enhancing athletic performance, muscle growth, and recovery. It increases strength, power, endurance, and muscle growth. Its versatile properties make it a must-have for active individuals. It's made with high-quality ingredients, rapidly absorbed, and won't cause digestive issues. Avoid cheap alternatives. It's manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, ensuring purity and potency. It's free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes. What we like. It's pure creatine monohydrate, backed by extensive research, and mixes easily into any liquid. If you want a simple, effective, and scientifically proven creatine, this is a great option. What people say. Made with clean products if compared with others in the market. Doesn't have any flavor, and dissolves easily, so is easy to add to your daily diet such as water, smoothies, or any beverages. It is helping me to achieve my goals during workouts. It is entirely tasteless, which I don't really like, even though I'm glad it's only creatine and glutamine with no additives, but I often mix it in when an emergent, protein shake, or cold green tea with fresh lemon or lime. This blend supports that lifestyle and my personal fitness goals. I've never been slimmer, more muscular, vascular, and stronger than I am this year. I've even felt the difference on days I'm particularly tired. Whenever I take the scoop and a half serving I use, I feel a difference in mental clarity, physical strength, and increased motivation, without the stimulating effects of some products. The quality is evident from the first use, and it mixes well with my drinks without leaving any odd aftertastes, just as it should be, since pure creatine monohydrate is tasteless. One of the most remarkable aspects of this product is the sheer number of servings per container. It's quite economical, especially for those of us who use creatine regularly as part of our fitness regimen. Number 2. NatureBell Creatine Monohydrate. It's pure, unflavored creatine monohydrate powder, perfect for pre- or post-workout. The micronized formula ensures superior absorption for optimal results. Effortlessly mix it into your favorite drinks or supplements. It's designed to enhance your performance, inside and outside the gym. It's one of the most effective sports supplements available, using the monohydrate form for optimal results. Each container provides 100 servings of 5,000 milligrams. Experience improved energy, endurance, strength, and power. It can also help boost your confidence and motivation. Creatine is naturally produced in the body, but often depleted. This provides a convenient way to replenish your levels and reach peak performance. It's non-GMO, keto, and vegan-friendly, and free of many common allergens. It's also third-party lab tested for purity and potency. Try it and see the difference. It's time to maximize your potential in and out of the gym. What we like. It's vegan, keto-friendly, and easily absorbed. You get 100 servings per container, offering great value. If you need a versatile, high-quality creatine that fits various dietary needs, this is for you. Number 1. Cellucor Creatine Monohydrate. Looking to boost your strength and power? This supplement helps you increase muscular power and endurance for improved workouts. See how it can transform your fitness journey. It's formulated to help you build and maintain lean muscle mass. Each serving provides 5 g of creatine monohydrate to support your muscle building goals. This creatine is micronized for excellent mixability. It dissolves easily in water or your favorite beverage, making it convenient to add to your daily routine. It's unflavored, so you can easily add it to your pre-workout, BCAAs, or any drink you prefer. Enjoy the flexibility to customize your fitness nutrition. With 72 servings, it provides long-lasting support for your fitness goals. It's time to take your workouts to the next level and achieve peak performance. What we like. This creatine supports strength increases and lean muscle growth. It mixes exceptionally well. If you're focused on building strength and lean muscle, and want easy mixing, this is a solid choice. What people say. Cellucor 5 g Monohydrate. Good quality. Muscle gain. Works the best, good quality, no taste and easy to take. Great strength from it, I feel and look better in the mirror. My performance in the gym is better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.